Hello guys, welcome to Arm Candy. I hope you're all okay and having a lovely morning. Today we've got this Mulberry purse in this gorgeous pebbled leather in this amazing hot pink colour. I'll give you a look at the back. So I'll talk you through the features of it first. So what you've got is two crested fastens either side of these corners, and you open those up, and then on the inside you've got a little pocket on the front there. There you go. And then there is a lot of space in this purse. This is a big purse. There are 12 card holders in there, and then along here you've got one big flat pocket, and then you've got one compartment there, another compartment there, another compartment there, and then you've got a zipped pocket in the middle. I'll zip that up so you can see. So there's a lot of space in here. There's also two little rings here. So if you did want to add a handle and create it to be like a wallet on a chain kind of thing, then that would definitely be something that you could do. I think this one is actually missing the strap that's meant to be there, but that's something that is easily replaced. And you could also use it, I thought it would be a nice little clutch for an evening out, because it is the perfect size for that too, but also it's the perfect size to be the wallet that you can get everything in. So that's the features of this little purse. The condition of it, we said the exterior condition is in good condition. Now there are some signs of wear on it, but really not many at all. I'm trying to see if I can find them now. There's a little bit of white perhaps there, the odd scratch, and maybe just a little bit of discoloration. Let me show you the back. But there really isn't much to point out. It is in good condition. There's a little mark there. And the corners look fantastic actually. The corners look really good. So that's the exterior condition, that's in good condition. The interior condition we've called worn, mainly because of these pen marks here. Now there's a few signs of wear in general, but the main reason we've called it worn is because of their pen marks there. I think they look fine, to be honest, but that's why we called it worn, because of those little pen marks. But look at that, it looks great to me. I think that looks really good. But the pen marks are why we've called it worn. There are a few other little marks in there, but you know, nothing major. Also on the inside there's a little bit of pen too. And then the hardware is very good. You've got the studs here that's still nice and bright and gold. And there's a few little signs of wear on those. But this little zip in here, the little Mulberry zip, I love that it just sits there so perfectly. That's in very good condition. So that's why the hardware is called very good. I don't think there's much else to tell you about this. It's very self-explanatory and simple. So if you like this gorgeous little piece of Mulberry, it's an absolute steal. So click the link below in the description. It will take you to our website to this exact product where you get the sizing, the amazing price of it and everything. As well, whilst you're here, before you go and do any of that, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video and hit the bell so that you get alerts when we post new videos. When we post a new video, it means there's a new bag on the website. So if you get an alert, you'll be the first one to know, and it could be your dream bag. Whilst you're on the website looking at this, make sure you look at all our other pre-loved goods, but most importantly, make sure you sign up to our newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, you will get 5% off your very first purchase. You'll get a discount code sent to your inbox for 5% off. And make sure you check your spam if it hasn't arrived within a few minutes, because often they can end up in the spam folders. So make sure you check your spam, and follow us on Instagram at ArmCandyBandCo.